This is segment 2 of the Getting Started session of Discover It, Try It, Learn It. We'll begin here at the GoWYLD Databases page, where we'll take a tour of the GoWYLD Databases and explore the various ways to get into them. There's topical access here under Browse All Resources, as well as alphabetical access here under Title. There's also a Show All link, which can be very helpful in familiarizing yourself with what we have access to. Here you'll find the alphabetic list and a short description. Also included is a More Like This. So if you were looking at a particular resource, you can check out the More Like This links. For example, click on Biography under Britannica, which will take you back to the subject area page for biography, giving you an alphabetic list of the resources available that contain biographical information. Also on the Show All and Topic Pages lists, there is a search box that initiates a search directly into the product. So you can click on the title, for example, Biography and Context, or click in the search box and launch your search from there. I'm going to click on Find Resources here at the top left to go back to the GoWYLD Databases page. Another way to search in these databases are these quick search boxes on the right-hand side, one for EBSCO and one for Gale Power Search. Both will search multiple products at once. So for example, I'm going to launch a search in EBSCO on acupuncture. It has opened up EBSCO. If I want to see the databases that it's searching, I can click on Show All, or as I scroll down through my resources on the left-hand side where it sorts by source type, subject, the very bottom is a link that says Databases. Here I click on Show More and it will show me all those resources that are being searched. To close that box, I can either update my list, cancel, or click on the X. I'm going to close out the EBSCO database and come back to the GoWYLD page. The same happens if I click in the Gale Power Search button. It will open up in Gale and I can see the databases that are being searched. Other links on this page, you'll see that there's a More link here where I can access our downloadable audiobooks, look at magazines and journals using the WULP, Wyoming Union List of Periodicals, or the eJournal portal, and our digital collections that include Wyoming state documents, including state executive orders, Wyoming government publications, for example, the Game and Fish annual reports. There's also a link here called Have You Tried, where a featured database or topic access to databases are highlighted. This is a great way to become more familiar with some of our resources. There are a few other useful links here. At the very top is a link called How Do I Use This Site? If you click on that, you'll see that there's access to a list of what we have available. If you're trying to remote access, how to get your library card and PIN, and if you're having technical difficulties, who to contact, and a frequently asked questions page. On the brown band across the top is a link to help and tutorials. If you come in here, you have access to tutorials provided by the vendors. So for example, you could go through the tutorial on the Chilton Library, or ERIC, or Chimic Animal Life. The last link I want to show you is here at the very top, called Remote User Login. That access will be covered in the next segment.